إنما الخلف الطيب منهم من اقتفى أثر السلف، هذا هو الطيب منهم.
Being a businessman or a businesswoman is not just to drive a nice car. That's a shallow existence. That's just misery. Now, if Allah blesses you with wealth, imitate who? Abu Bakr radiallahu anhu. He was a wealthy person. What did Abu Bakr do with his wealth? Abu Bakr radiallahu anhu, as we find in the hadith, Abu Bakr, he is our leader, and he freed our leader, meaning Bilal. He used his wealth to free his brother, who was an Abyssinian slave. Even some of the mushrikun from the Arab, they were amazed. How are you spending all this money to free this slave? Iman. He desired what was with Allah Azza wa Jal. And when it came time, and the Prophet ﷺ encouraged the believers to help the cause of Allah, Abu Bakr, he came with all of his wealth. When he was asked, what did you leave them? He said, I left them Allah and His Messenger. Subhanallah. In our time, we always complain, look at the state we're in, look at the situation of the Muslims. What are we willing to sacrifice? And we're not just talking about money. Are we willing to even sacrifice our time to pray in the masjid? Salah? Are we willing? What are we willing to sacrifice? We know why we are in this state. And if you think that going out into the streets and demonstrating is going to change anything, then you just want to hide the reality because you want to take responsibility away from us as individuals. And you want to go out and pretend, I'm doing my part. I'm doing my part. I'm supporting the cause. I'm woke. No, you're asleep. You're intoxicated. That's how asleep you are. Because that's the new word. Are you woke, brother? Yes, I'm woke. But I know that you aren't. Because all I hear from you is jahl. Being woke is what? Basing every statement you say upon what's in the Quran and the Sunnah. Acting upon what's in the Quran and the Sunnah. Comparing everything around you to what's in the Quran and the Sunnah. That's the person that is woke.